Hey guys, my name is Ankush Anand, and today in this video I am going to share a process by which you can get a free business email with a good user interface and a reliable email service. So first of all, you may be already know about Zoho email. So we are going to get the business email from zohomail.com, and basically this is a email not a email marketing tool, it's a email hosting tool which provide you ad free email service. And by the way, they also have free plan, and that free plan is enough for most of us. So in the free plan, it is a forever free plan where you will get 5 users, 5 GB per user, and 25 MB attachment limit. You can use the web application to access the email, as well as free mobile application. So all of the designs are really good, and this will be available for one domain. So you can create this email for one domain with 5 users with 5 GB per user, and all these details. So this is a free plan, and this is really awesome. Let's just see how it looks. So right now here you can see this is the interface, guys. This is really good, and it's really awesome actually. In the mobile app as well, you can see it's really pretty. So I can also show you one of the account that I have, how it looks. So this is how it looks, and I feel it's already looking really awesome. So you can use this one, and it's 100% free to use. So right now what I am going to do, I'm going to sign it out, and I'm going to go and visit zohomail.com from my tab. So let me just open a tab here. Okay, so we have to go to the website zohomail.com. It will redirect you to the specific website, and here you will see this option, get started with a free ad free email service. You have to choose business email. You have to click on sign up for free. Now it will provide you these options to buy, but you can go down, and here on the left side, here you can click on this sign up button with this free forever plan, not on this one, on this one. Okay, so just click on this one, and here you need to provide the domain name. So right now, as I said, I'm going to use this domain name. So let's just copy the domain name. By the way, guys, this is the domain name, and this is the website link, so there is a difference. So I'm going to copy the domain name. This is the domain name, and I will add it here. Now I need to add the details of the person, so let's add my own name. And here I want to create a account of myself. So let's just keep it info right now. Now I need to enter the mobile number. And I feel I need to add another mobile number. Yeah, so I because this account, you need to make sure that whenever, if you are creating this email for your clients or any other person, never use their your own phone number. Use their phone number, so that if you want to get one account for yourself, you can create. Otherwise, like, you will not get the free plan in the new domain. So here, let's just enter a password. I feel I have made something wrong. So now the contact email. So I'm going to use this email as the contact email. So let's just go and paste the email. I need to click on agree, and then all the details are filled. I need to click on proceed. So here it's showing that these are the details. It's showing the summary. So everything good. I can click on sign up. So right now let's just change this and save. So now a verification code will be sent to my phone number. So I need to check my phone, and let's just see if I received. Yeah, I received a code. So let's just enter the code. I feel this everyone can do. So this is the code, guys. Just verify the mobile, and it will take some time. Okay. So now, first thing I want to make sure that you understand the concept. So the concept is that you are using your own domain name. So first thing you need to do is verify the ownership. This is the first thing that needs to be done. Then there is something called DKIM. This is needed, and then third is SPF. These two, even if you are not doing these two, you can still create a email account in a lot of platforms. But these two make sure that your uh, email is through sent to the person, and it is verified. So this is just a verification that you are a trusted person, you are a trusted email, domain. So these two are needed for that purpose. So if you are not doing these two, your email will not be delivered to the primary tab or even in the inbox. It will be a spam. So that's what happens here. uh, okay, so that's why we need to do these three things, and for all of these three things we need to do some DNS records. Okay, so we will just see what the DNS record is, and here I need to verify the ownership, the first step. So right now let's just go and choose others. Okay, so here they are saying that you can do the verification using three methods. So this one and this one. So let's prefer the first one, which is the TXT method. It means that we need to add a TXT record in our hosting. Okay, so basically in not in hosting, in the DNS provider. So uh, DNS provider depends on the name servers. So here, if you have set the name servers to your hosting, then you need to go to cPanel. If you have set the DNS to Cloudflare, then you need to go to Cloudflare. Okay, and these are the name servers that I'm talking about. So right now, my name servers are with the SiteGround, and my website is hosted in SiteGround. So my my DNS will be right here. And in case if you are using any other hosting, and this is Namecheap, and I feel a lot of cPanel will have, a lot of hosting provider will have the same options. So in that case, if you have such a panel, you need to go to this zone editor. You need to go to this one, and here you need to find the domain name which you want to change. So here you need to click on manage. Okay, so this is what you need to do in case if you are not using SiteGround. So right now, because I am using SiteGround, I will just go and find the DNS zone editor. I have pinned it here, but a lot of times it will not be here. So just for clarity, it will be in the domain section, DNS zone editor. So here I need to go and create a TXT record. So here you can see there is this option for TXT with this create new record panel. Now I need to enter the details. So basically, let's just go back what is needed. So it's telling me that you can keep it blank, or you can write at the rate, or you can write billion choices. Basically guys, all of these three means the same thing. If you are writing at the rate, it means the domain name, and if you are writing domain name, it already means the domain name. And if you are keeping it blank, it also means that by default it will take the domain name. So right now, there, if we leave this empty, it will take us our domain name. So that's all. There is no need to do anything here. We need to enter this value here in the value section. So in case if you are using another cpanel, you need to go like this. You need to click on add record. You need to uh, change the type of record to txt, and then you need to enter at the rate here, or you can just type the domain name. Yeah, you can type the domain name, and here you need to type that code. So right now, because I am using site around again, I will create it here. So the record is created. Let's just go back, and now my domain should be verified. Just for clarity, it can take some time to get this verification process. If I click on verify by txt, maybe it will not show me verified right now, because it takes time to the dns to actually publish that detail to the worldwide web. So just take an example that if you are publishing something, if you are changing the DNS, it will take the time. It will take some time for everyone to know that your DNS has been changed, or there is something new added there. So here, let's just you can see that my domain is verified now, so there is no need to wait. So here you can see that it's asking me for the email I want to create. So this one is the email I want to create, and this one will have the role of super administrator. Okay, so I will just click on create account. Now my main domain is created. My main email is created, which is info@billionchoices.com. But if you want to create additional users, you can create. If you want to create additional emails, you can create. You can create up to 5. Okay. So right now I don't want to create any other. Or let's just try to like show you. Let me just try to show how you can go ahead. So here you can see, if I want to create something for Himanshi, so I will just enter the name, and here, like, let's just add the name, and here I will add some password, and I will click on OK. So this will do the work. So right now I don't want to do anything. I will just go back. This one is already done, so let's just reload it, so that yeah, we can be taken to the next step. So we are now on the second step, which is the add user. So we are going to skip this one, because I just want to create one. Then group, you can create group as well, but I don't want to create that as well. So just going to the next part. So now is the second step, which I actually haven't added here. So the second part was to create the email entries, which are actually MX records. Basically, you need to tell the DNS server or your hosting provider, or wherever your DNS is located, that this service is going to take care of all the emails through that domain. So right now we need to add these 3 DNS entries in our DNS manager. So as I already told you, my DNS manager is with the SiteGround right now. So I need to add the entries here. But before that, you need to make sure that there are no other entries of MX records. So you need to go and find manage DNS records. Here you need to check the MX, you need to check the type and find all the MX type records. Here you can see the first one. Here you can just see the second one and the third one. So these are all the three MS records that are already there. So we need to delete these three records. So let's just delete all three of them. Okay, so now they are deleted. If you want to back up them, you can just take a screenshot or you can just copy it. Otherwise, in case you want it back, you can contact your hosting providers. Okay, so now I want to add the MX records of this platform, zohomail.com. So I will just go ahead and copy this. Let's just use something really cool. That is a feature of Windows. It's called clipboard. So by right clicking on your let's I can't show you this. Let's skip it. So just copy this one. I will paste it here. Just a second. Yeah, now this is filled. So I will just paste all the details here. At the rate means the domain name, so there is no need to copy it. It will be same for all of these. So let's just copy this here so that it can be easy to paste. So now I need to create new record, which is MX record. So I will just choose MX, and here I need to create in the root domain. So it will be root domain, and no need to change this. The priority is 10 as shown here, and the destination is this one. So now I need to click on create. So this one is created. Let's go and create another one, which is second one, which is 20 priority, and MX2 as destination. So it's correct. Let's create this one as well. Now again MX record empty, and here we need to enter 50, and here we need to enter MX3 Zoho like this. Okay, so all done. Let's click on create, and let's make sure that it's done. So here you can see all the three records have been updated. But now I think it can take some time to actually make the details updated here. So let's just click on MX lookup. Here you can see it's showing the old details. Now, why this is happening with this one, not with the another one? So when we add a new entry, it's okay. But when we are changing an existing entry, right now we are changing an entry. Technically, we are changing because there was existing MX records with the same name with the same type, and there were existing MX record. So right now, the whole world know about the old values. So we have just added new values here, new records here. So it will take some time for this to update. So you can just try to check this once more, and maybe you can try it later. So let's just click on next right now. So let's just click on next. So here now it's time for the third step, which is DKIM and SPF. So these are the uh, two things that we need to do here. And the first one is about SPF, which is Sender Policy Framework. So this is just to you can see this is associated with the domain name to identify. This is email spoofing. Yeah, it verifies that are you sending the domain, or are you sending the email or not? So it's just a important thing that everyone should do. So just make sure if you are using something else, you do SPF entries. So here we are going to add these txt codes in the DNS. So here just let's just copy this one txt value, and the domain and the name and host is same. So let's just go to txt, create another one here, and let's keep it empty and create. So now this one is done, but also this can take some time. So we can go ahead with the dkim, and here we need to add more stuff. So this is, you can see, this is a signature, dkim signature for your domain to ensure better email deliverabilities. Okay, so we need to click on proceed to configure dkim, and here we need to click on this button, edit button. And here this is a bit tricky. Here you may be confused if you are doing it on your own. So just make sure you pay additional focus right now. So here you need to click on a selector. Here you need to enter anything. So let's just create, let's just keep it info. No need to keep it anything very specific. I am just keeping it similar to the email. So let's just keep it info and save. So now you have created your own name of this name, and now you need to enter this in a DNS entry. So for DKIM as well, we need to create a TXT record in our DNS manager. So let's just go to TXT, and here we need to paste this part. So in case you are using, again, if you are using something like this, so you need to add and record. You need to choose txt, and here you need to enter the whole record. But because my provider is SiteGround, and here I already have the .billionchoices.com, I need to just enter the first part. So like this, I need to enter. Now the value, so I need to enter the value, and this value is a little bit larger than the last one. So I need to make sure everything is copied properly, and then I need to copy it, and I need to paste it in the value. In the same way, I need to paste it here. Okay, in case I had this one. So now this one is also done, and you can see that that is updated. So even if you are using a email marketing tool, in that case as well, the email hosting that email marketing tool will need to do these things, and it can take some time. So let's just verify, and there is no loading here. Just click on back. Now let's just go back to check if it's done. Proceed for configure. So here you can see now it's green. Earlier it was like this, so it was disabled. Now it's green, so it's done. So now we need to go to this email migration step. So there is no need to migrate any emails because we haven't been using any uh, email marketing tool earlier. So we can just click on skip. Now it's time to get your really cool mailing apps for your phone or your app store. So let's just open this. If you want to use it, you can just click install, and if for the email ID is same here, you can install it from your laptop as well. So just find this email, find this app in your Play Store, Zoho Mail Admin, and also in Apple Store. So you can install it, and that's all, guys. So now we can just go back to Zoho Workspace, and it will take you to this dashboard, which is a little bit like comprehensive. It have all other options as well. So we just need the mail, and here you can see we are in the email. You can click on skip, and here is the email. So if you don't want to get confused, I will recommend you to just go to Zoho mail.com instead of this website, zohomail.com. Okay, let's just copy and let me just show you what the website it's right now. So right now it's workplace.zoho.in/mail and like this. So it's a comprehensive platform. So we need to just use the mail. So I will just go to zohomail.com. So it will directly take you to the mail server only. And this is the link mail.zoho.in. So this will make sure you are on your in your email only. Okay. Here you can see they have added Zoho meeting as well. So there are a lot of options now. I feel they are also adding lot of options. So this is how we do it. And now in case you need to make sure that your emails are being delivered, for that you need to go here and click on control panel, because as I told you, those DNS entries will take some time. And here you can see that right now it's not done. We need to wait for it. Okay, so let's just go to uh, this mail accounts I feel. And here incoming outgoing it's saying it's okay. Active sync, everything okay. Spam control, here is the DKIM and SPF. Let's see. So here we need to go to the domains in the control panel. From right here we need to go to the domain section, and here you need to make sure it's verified. So here you need to click on this one. So it will take some time, and SPF it will also take some time. So we need to wait for at least 24 hours to make it happen. And after that, you need to go ahead again, log into your mail and go to control panel and check if this is green tick. If it's done, it means that your email is working. And for example, let's just open my another email, mail.soho.in. Basically, guys, right now there is a plugin in Firefox which is allowing me to create containers. So this tab is different from this tab. So I can actually log into both of them right here. So let me just log into the email, the existing email, where I can show you the final results, because it will take some time for this one. I can't show you right now. It will take some time. So here, like after your email will be verified, you can go ahead and click on control panel right here. By the way, guys, you can set up your profile as well. You can add an image, good image as well of yourself. So here you need to go to domains, and here you need to check if this is done. So here you can see even right now my SPF records are not updated properly. See, even the domain name is already like I have done it in past. So I need to make sure it's working. So if it's not working, I need to make sure that I check the things again. So let's just go back and do this. We highly recommend you to. So let's just find where is the option. Actually I haven't found it. Okay, so this for this one I can't show you right now because it will take some time, but there is this additional there is an existing email that I have in Zoho Mail which I can show you. As I told you, SPF is missing, so we can just go and find where is the option for SPF. Here I feel I need to check some things. I am not exactly aware about how to find the option now. Just give me a minute. Okay, I will just. I will. So here. I found the options. It's in the mail administration, email authentication, and here it is in the SPF. So here you need to go. Now I need to make sure the details are updated properly. So I will just go back, and this is another domain. So I need to go make sure I am there, and I need to update the details. So right now let's just create a txt record again, and if there is no existing same details, it will it will be created. So I will just click on create, and here you can see it's created. Okay, so now it will also again take some time. Okay, so basically this is what you need to do. After 24 hours you need to go to the domain section. You need to check if all these are tick mark, like green tick, and this will be like this will be also like this, but right now because this was not done properly, so I have done it now. Okay, so that's all how you can do it. You can get a free email hosting, which is reliable, which is really good looking, as well as like your it will do your work. Okay, so thank you for joining the webinar.